Wage agreements signed between government and some public sector workers. National Land Titling Program launched, and the children of OPM staff awarded for their performance in GSET exams. I'm Carrie Ann Smith with Jamaica House Weekly. Last Tuesday, the Portia Simpson Miller-led administration signed an agreement for salaries and other benefits for public sector workers represented by some unions under the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions, JCTU. The heads of agreement will cover the contract period 2015 to 2017.
12 items from the previous contract period are still being pursued. An increase in salaries projected for 4% in year 1 and 3% in year 2.
The contract also includes increases in allowances such as supper, duty, subsistence, death benefit, and night premium. There is also a $45 million fund for tertiary education grants to children of public sector workers and plans to develop a land or housing project this financial year.
My administration takes seriously our responsibility for the prudent management of the affairs of our country, while ensuring that the best interest of our employees are always protected and secured. I know very well the tremendous sacrifices being made by the people of Jamaica as we strengthen the economy and work to secure economic growth with equity, social inclusion, and job creation.
On Wednesday, Prime Minister Simpson Miller launched a national land titling program targeting 45,000 Jamaicans. The program will bring together all the ministries and agencies of government which process land titles.
The National Land Titling Program, ladies and gentlemen, is designed to deliver the approximately 45,000 titles which are at various stages of completion in the different ministries and agencies.
The program launch also served as a titling ceremony for 63 residents of Seaview Gardens, Tower Hill, and Seaward Penn. Last week also found the Prime Minister rewarding 17 children of OPM staff for their performance in the recent Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT.
Can't is an evil word in terms of your education. Keep on telling yourself you can, because each of you can. You have gotten this far, you will be able to get to university, be successful, make your parents proud, and make your communities proud. You are the future leaders of Jamaica.
Thursday's function was held at Jamaica House. At a back-to-school fair in Tavares Gardens, Mrs. Simpson Miller encouraged the students to excel and called on parents to take care of their children.
I want to say to the children, pay attention when you go to school, to your schoolwork. Pay attention to your teachers and be obedient to your parents. And I'm going to make a special appeal to the parents. We need to bring up the children right. And we need to pass on to them good values, proper values, so that when they become men and women, they will demonstrate the kind of discipline that we need in this country.
Children in and around the Payne Land community were given school supplies to outfit them for the academic year in September. US-based charity, the Joseph Assignment Global Initiative, sponsored the event and will be extending the treat to children in Hannahtown. Prime Minister Simpson Miller, cabinet ministers, opposition members, and the Governor General supported a function held to celebrate the 45th anniversary of Archbishop Charles Dufour's priestly ordination at St. Teresa Church. Archbishop Dufour has been the Archbishop of Kingston since June 2011. Back at Jamaica House, the Prime Minister held talks with members of the National Council on Science and Technology. And that's how we close today's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. Do join us next time for the latest stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.